Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Rakono. In late April, I visited some parks in Hakodate. In this video, I will share the beautiful Sakura views. I actually came back to Japan from Christchurch at the end of last year. And this time, I traveled to a few cities in Japan with my family. Luckily, we got to see the sakura at the perfect time, although it was still cold and raining. We visited Goryokaku Park, one of the most famous spots for cherry blossom viewing. It's also a national historic site known for its unique star-shaped fort. During the Sakura view season, you can rent barbecue goods and you enjoy Hokkaido cuisine Jingisukan. It's grilled mutton or lamb with veggies like onions, carrots, and pumpkin, etc. There's a historical building as well. On the way back home, we had a snow burger at Lucky Pierrot. This is a really famous and popular burger shop in Hakodate. And this burger got white sauce, meat sauce, and cheese, and onion rings and chips on side. It's very, very filling. The second place for Sakura viewing was in Hakodate Park. When I first came here, I was surprised at the size of this park. There's fountain, viewing deck, former Hakodate City Museum, and a little amusement park. It's finally getting a bit warmer and blooming a lot more sakura, so it's packed. In this sakura season, you can get many kinds of food from stalls. I think those stalls are something you can really enjoy Japanese food because there's takoyaki, yakisoba, and then ageimo. So ageimo is deep-fried potato balls. It's on skewers. There's many kinds of taste here. I saw butter, salt, sweetened soy sauce, and just sugar and ketchup. I think many people just go with salt and sugar, like simple taste, but I liked to try something new, so I tried kinako taste, which is soybeans, powder, and sugar. It was really nice, but the color, I expected that it comes with yellow soybeans, but it was green soybeans, so it looked a bit really new. And octopus balls and yakitori skewers are always great, always. If you like to try something new, there is imomochi. It sounds like mochi, but there is no mochi in it. It's made from mashed potatoes mixed with starch, like potato starch or cornstarch. It's pan-fried and it's got sweetened soy sauce. It's like a teriyaki taste sauce, so I think many people would like it. I grew up with this, so I didn't know that this was Hokkaido specialty. You can easily find it at izakaya restaurants as well. Before going to the start place for sakura viewing, we had a massive brekkie. No, it's actually brunch because I couldn't wake up early. It's Komeda Coffee, originally from Nagoya Prefecture, so it's not Hokkaido at all. But I love their food, so I wanted to show you guys. It's the big amount, always bigger than I expected. The third spot wasn't packed at all. I saw just a few people, so I could take my time here. And also, I could enjoy the view of the city. The famous Mount Hakodate ropeway is always packed. It's not really high here, but still you can enjoy the view. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.